There are roads that take us from one place to another. And then there are roads that carry memories. Roads that ask us to remember not just the name on the signboard, but the very life that gave the name a meaning. This is Dr. Bhupen Hazarika Path, a road named after the bard of the Brahmaputra, the man who gave Assam its conscience, and this year marks the centenary of his birth. But perhaps the greatest tribute to a legend is not made inside auditoriums. It is paid in the way we preserve the places that carry his name. And what a place this is. Running across this mighty river is a road with an extraordinary promise. Why? Because it offers something becoming increasingly rare in a rapidly growing city: silence. Space to breathe. For a brief moment, the cacophony of Guwahati comes to a standstill. The horizon replaces the concrete, and you're compelled to slow down, relax, and think. And then reality interrupts. The road begins to speak a different language. Potholes interrupt the journey. Plastic bottles lie scattered beside the river. Household waste appears where landscapes should have been protected. Overgrown vegetation obscures viewpoints. The contradiction is impossible to ignore. A road named after the man who immortalized the Brahmaputra. Yet the road on the banks of that very river speaks of neglect. One must really understand that this is not just about the damage or the litter. It is something much more profound. This is symbolism. Places tell stories. And today, this place tells a story that does not honor the name it carries.